Hi guys, it's Allison McNamara and I'm so excited to tell you about my newest Mara product. It's a cleanser! I've got my Mara Chia Moringa Algae Enzyme cleansing oil that gently sweeps away impurities, makeup, grime, leaving behind glowing, hydrated, clean skin. So I like to use this morning and night, super simple. You wanna shake it first. We use really natural ingredients, so just shake up the formula, apply 1 to 2 pumps to your hands, and then you can use this on wet or dry skin, which really sets this cleanser apart. It's super simple to use, just rub it around for about 30 seconds and then rinse clean. So I prefer cleansing in the morning with wet skin, so I splash my face with water, apply a pump or two, and I love how it turns to this light milky texture. And then in the evening, I like to dry cleanse, so I put this directly on dry skin and I rub it around to remove all of my makeup and the day's pollutants. This formula is really unique for a cleansing oil. It has 4 types of fruit enzymes, papaya, pumpkin, pineapple, and grapefruit, that work together to gently exfoliate, soften, and brighten the skin. It also has spirulina and kelp, which have phytonutrients, and Chia Moringa and squalane for hydration, so you're moisturized and never dry. Because the ultimate glow starts with clean skin. I'm so excited for you to see the glow.